Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect a Hryfine watch to your phone. First step, go to your application store, download and install the Hryfine application. Turn on Bluetooth and location on your phone. To connect the watch to your phone, open the Hryfine application and follow the steps shown in the video. You will need to enter a username to access the application. To search for the watch in the application, click on the small watch icon in the top right corner. The phone will now look for the smartwatch. If you don't find the smartwatch in the list, make sure it is turned on and it is close to the phone. Click on the watch name on the phone to connect the smartwatch to your phone. As you can see, the watch has been connected to my phone and the time and calendar have been updated successfully. Here is a video with 10 possible solutions if you are having connection problems. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.